In this video, we're going to talk about how you can sell on TikTok Shop on Philippines. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to their actual site. You can just search for Seller TikTok Philippines and you should be able to see in here this site, which is a seller center of TikTok Shop. With this, you will be prompted to sign up. You can choose between different merchant categories. So for this, since we're doing this in the Philippines, I'd rather choose the Philippines route, having your Philippines option. You can either sign up by using your mobile phone number, using your Philippine phone number itself, or you can also use email. Or if you already have an account, you can just proceed to log in and you can either sign in with your TikTok account as well as your email or phone. From there, you can just enter a password and then log in. Let me show you the interface or dashboard of the actual TikTok shop. So here is my homepage on the Seller Center. So once you're actually in this part, you can start selling on TikTok Shop. As you can see, you can go over to the product section and from in there you can choose between managing your products or adding products based on this right here. You can see right here all of the live products that you have, reviewing, as well as the products that needs attention. So for this, you can find the products that you're looking for and then edit them right here. So for example, you can just proceed to click on a specific product and then take actions based on this. You can edit it out or also publish it again. If you want to add a new product, just proceed to click onto this Add Products option that appears right here. So as you can see onto this Add Product option, you have the option to actually add individual products by manually entering the information themselves. So you can click onto this Add Product. You can also click onto this drop down and you can see in here some options such as product bundles. So let me show you the actual page for the creator or the product adder. You can upload the main image right here of your actual product, enter right here the product name. For example, let's put in here bag. Choose right here the category or you can also just get the actual suggestion of AI right here. Do take note the product name needs to be at least 25 characters right there. Now click onto the category and you can see right here the suggestions. You can also just click on 3 AI suggestion to actually add it. You have in here women's bag, men's bags, and the likes. Let me head over and add right here the category. Input right here the brand if it has any. So once you have chosen the brand, you can input right here the bag type, the leather type, material types, patterns, styles, and the likes. So you can also just add it right here. Make sure to add the material added as well as the pattern for it, the style, and the likes. Once you have added everything, you can scroll down and you can add a description for this particular product. To enter right here the product description, you can also just use AI by clicking on this generate description. Add right here the text description. So let's input right here bag for school and it will generate it. So the text description will be generated through this right here and click on apply in order to add this. You can also add video if you want. Now as for the sale information, input right here the price and stock. For example, let's price it at around 499. The quantity available is around 100. And for the retail price, you can input it right here as well. So just input right here the retail price. This is actually the regular price set by the seller before any discounts are applied. For example, let's input right here around 749. And the stock for this is also 100. Choose in here the size chart if you have it, or you can also disable it since we're selling a bag. Let's disable it right here. Input right here the grams for the packaging, as well as the package dimensions. Input the width, height, as well as the length. And then the delivery options. You can also enable cash on delivery. And once you've done with that, head over and click onto this submit for review. So make sure as well that you have at least one picture. Head over and click on submit. After you have done that, product will be submitted and it will actually added on your product once it's been accepted by TikTok. So you can sell on your TikTok shop by adding your products if you want, managing them themselves. So this is just one way of adding products. You can also list an existing product that already match product description on TikTok Shop. You can also upload in bulk and input your not for sale products as skip the purchase with purchase tool. The other option that you can do is to sync with other platforms by using integrations such as Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and more. You can click onto this list now. And for this particular reason, I'll head over and then show you some integrations for dropshipping options. You can either add them directly through your app store as well. So here are some platforms that we can integrate, such as the Big Seller. We also have Shopmate, EasyBoss, as well as Shani. And we also have in here CJ Dropshipping and the likes, and I will be creating separate videos based on them. So that's all there is today, and I hope today you know how to sell on TikTok Shop in Philippines and earn money. Thanks so much for watching.